Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the bonk update regarding the last day of the week, which is going to be Sunday. Tomorrow you start in a new week, and as far as bonk looks, until now we're still in the safe zone. We're still not taking out 895. By the time you're going to take out 895, get ready for a very big push all the way down to 283. That's how far I see things going to the downside, probably even a little bit lower down to 166. That may actually happen in the future. I know this scares a lot of people, but hey, this is crypto, right? The fact that you guys want to believe that this thing can actually move this far, I don't know why you don't want to believe it can move just as down. And yeah, it's pretty normal, honestly. If you are in a trade, that's going to suck. But thing is, if you're out of the trade, if you watch without any biasness or stuff like that, yeah, this makes a lot of sense. You have your descending triangle here. If you're going to pop down and retest and fail, that's a descending triangle technical target and not Atom Coin's technical target. People were saying that this thing is on an uptrend. Well, I cannot complain too much because I just talked about this descending triangle, but there's few positive things I may actually want to add up to, and that is considering that on a 4-hour time frame you are having a bullish divergence, of course. So if you're not going to pop down, of course we still need a pop down. Let's actually put that on the side, that we need a move down to 895, and then that's when we're going to flip. That's when we're going to talk about the pattern being in play. At least for now, you haven't really broke 895. So if I turn on the RSI, if you look at the RSI does make some small higher highs here. So you have the RSI that's a little bit to the upside and also oversold on the 4-hour time frame as well. So that is one thing you may want to look after. But RSI is not the only thing that you are going to follow. There are so many technical factors to look after whenever you trade, which also has to do something with the pattern itself, as I told you. Now, thing is that on the 1-hour time frame, I do notice some RSI divergence as well. So if I push this out, and if you notice here, Pepe has a bullish divergence on the smaller time frame. So you have a move down and you have the move up right over here. I really have to make things in a balanced manner. So yeah, we still kind of have some chances where you may see Pepe pushing up, not Pepe, man, bonk, right? Where you see bonk pushing to the upside, but I am not going to trade anything, right? And if you are going to trade it, as I told you so many times, 895 is going to be the absolute dead end for me. You take 895 and that's it, right? See you down there. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.